Everything you see around you, everything, with the exception of nothing. Every country, every land, every tree, every ocean, every bird that takes flight, every beast that walks on four legs, every grain of sand, every leaf on the tree, every country, every planet, every star. Wallahi, the first heaven, the second heaven, the third heaven, the fourth heaven, the fifth heaven, the sixth heaven, the seventh heaven, all the angels, Mikael, Jibrail, Israfil, the ocean above the seven heavens, the eight that carry the throne of Allah, the kursi of Allah, all are dead. Nothing moves, nothing stops, nothing makes, nothing breaks, nothing gives, nothing takes, nothing rises and nothing falls, nothing harms and nothing benefits. Illallah.